Hey, this is Junkyard Jimmy back here. I think my camera's Alright. Hey, this is Junkyard Jimmy back here with the Dirty Bird. A little bit of update here. Yeah, we got her on 4. And, she's pretty much ready for the dyno on Monday. Getting her together, but just got a couple of little things. My wideband quit, so I gotta buy a new wideband gauge. Couple small things here and there. But no, but she's coming together. She rolls forward and backwards on her own power. So we got the JAGS SSR magnograms. We got what I call a poor man's drag pack right here. $1,400 drag pack. So we got the Mickey Thompson ET Streets 26s, and we got the ET fronts. Yeah, she's coming together pretty good. Can't wait to get her tuned. The more she runs, better she goes. You just top her off with some fucking race fuel. But so yeah, we'll keep you updated. Maybe Monday it'll be on the dyno at Northland Performance. Dean's gonna give her the spicy tune, send her rod, you know, all the good stuff. So but yeah, boys, so that's an update for you, and deuces.